Alright guys, my name is Catch Johnson. We'll be filming a bunch of fishing content and some hunting, a few hunting stuff. Right now we're going to go fish a pond that's covered in lily pads, probably throw around a frog bunch, and hopefully we can catch a big one. And then, yeah. Alright guys, we're going to start fishing. We got to get through tons of lily pads. I might have to take the camera down just so we can get through all this. There's so much. There's probably gonna be 10 snakes, all kinds of stuff. There's a little open area. Snake gets in here, I'm gonna crap. I'm not even joking. Probably start throwing. I'll probably jump like a kayak. I'm not even joking. There's so many lily pads, it's crazy. Like this up here. Huge. Alright. We're on all this movement. Turn uphill. Camera angle. A little bit. Alright. Let's get out here. The water will get fishing. Them houses that over there are Airbnb. I don't even have a lot of people even go to these. And they can't fish unless they're just going for the looks. Or the nature type stuff, I don't know. Probably start that up. Big old buck. That's like part of a lily pad. Golly. Oh, there's a fish right there. They're just spooking. Right here. Let's get him up. There's a fish. Got him. He came off. Oh wait, you picked it back up. And I broke off. Are you actually serious right now? Are you freaking serious right now, dude? I'm pretty dang sure I broke off. And that fish was not that small. Dang. That's actually crazy. So, now so they like that. But the thing that sucks is I only have 4 of those worms. Now, I do have a different type of swim bait. And I only have 3 of these hooks. Actually, take that back. This is Guggen Squad weighted dart hooks, 4-aught, and then Big Bait Bites, Suicide Shed. Keep those out. I feel I'm gonna need them. Put those. Dang, I can't believe I broke off first. Oh wow, look. We're gonna turn around this thing, probably because I don't want to fall out, but. Now I have no idea what I do with the worm and the hook. It's right here. Right where I put it. I don't really think that fish was small. And he could have been, I just tied a bad knot, but. Alright, got her back tied on. Throw. Shoot, I don't even know what the brand is, but weighted on the hook. I think we catch one of that. Something different. I'm gonna go out here and get away from moss. Moss and crap. Water's pretty cold. Yeah, my one brother sent me more. There's something, I don't know. There's a fish. Got him that time. Not a bad one. I think. Oh, that's a good one. Oh. A lot bigger one than I thought he was. I'll give him another pad. And then these pads do not go together. Thank you. That'll be. That's a good one. That's about a 3-pounder right there. It's a big old chunky, about 3.5. I'm gonna get a weight on him. I don't know if I have a scale with me. But I'll for sure check. I don't think I have a scale. Alright, it's alright. Big, pretty nice fish right there. What you going? Big worm. Wait, that is not a worm. Actually, that's what I said I was gonna throw some. Let's see. And first guess, ran it through the pads. Goes back down here. I'm gonna leave my GoPro running. That's probably the smartest decision. So one, tap it right here. Got him. Oh, that's a good one. The last one on the Guggen Squad. Spinnerbait. They're a nice little chunky one. Not as big as the last one, but. Oh, that's crap. Alright, guys, thank y'all for watching. But I think we caught a 5. We had some dude tell us that we couldn't fish here. We obviously had permission or I wouldn't have been here. I might go to another spot. If I do, I'll catch y'all there. If not, peace out. I'll be posting some more videos soon. See y'all later.